Hello, humans and future AI overlords. So I'm looking at a link. This is the AI Accountability Policy Request for Comment. So this is from the US Department of Commerce. And so they're seeking feedback on policies that can support the development of AI, audits, assessments, certifications, and other mechanisms to create earned trust in AI systems. Because we definitely have issues around trust. So I'm looking at this site. I'm going to click the Bing, and it's giving me a page summary. So yeah, National Telecommunications and Information Administration is seeking feedback on its AI accountability policy. RFC aims to create earned trust, and there are comments on scope and objectives, roles, responsibilities, methods, standards, and tools, incentives, penalties, and enforcement. So this is just kind of a follow-up to uh, yesterday's video where we kind of looked at um, the AI blueprint on whitehouse.gov. So it looks like they're looking for feedback, but so submit a comment to the request for comment. The deadline's June 12th. Wow, June 12th. So yeah, just and then comment should respond to questions posed in the RFC. Commenters are encouraged to correlate the content with their comments to the pillars and questions set forth in the RFC. This looks how to submit. Topic is artificial intelligence. It looks like this went out April 11th. So it actually has been out for a bit. So this is great to get feedback. Let's see here. So looks like here's the actual RFC. Comment period ends in 12 days. There's an email to contact. Wondering if, so it looks like Bard cannot summarize this. I was just curious if, so Bard's got insights on this. So, National AI Initiative Act of 2020. Okay, oh wow, so there was an Initiative Act in 2020. What are the challenges? Among the challenges facing policymakers: accountability, trade-offs among trust, barriers, implementation, accountability, complex AI lifecycle, value chains, difficulties of standardization, measurement. Yeah, these are all, I think these are really great. Bard is actually doing a really good job of pulling from the document and highlighting content, which I really like that. So key phrases: AI accountability, NTIA, artificial intelligence, US AI regulation, US AI policy. Then it's got links to some news articles and information about this site. Who visits the site? That's interesting. 5% of the traffic is from China, and 2% from Japan, and 1% from Canada. Visitor found the site through search engines or other links. So this is, but I think this is really interesting. I'm definitely going to look at this a little bit more. I think that, I'm curious about AI, and I want to learn all the tools as they're evolving. But an important factor of any industry, and particularly something as disruptive as artificial intelligence, is what government regulation will be implemented. Because that will, either support its evolution or create a real limitation on it. But I think everyone wants a safe, responsible, accurate AI. that helps us all move forward. But anyway, I just want to follow up. So it looks like we only have 12 days to respond to this, if you're going to respond. But I think it's definitely a way to begin to look at AI, because this provides some framework, some questions. I know it's governmental policy. Like, hey, let's use governmental policies to analyze something. But I think in this case, due to the complexity of the tool, I think it's prompting some really good, topics and questions to consider. I mean, regulation, sounds boring and stuff, but in the implementation of AI and its effect on our lives and our work and our families, and I mean, could the AI could is likely going to touch so many aspects of our lives. I think it's definitely important to that we're having these conversations. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great day.